Just imagine you shared a Excel file with some of your colleague. He done some changes to Excel file and send it back to you. But you can't find what he has changed in the Excel. It is very hard to find the differences, right? Because he might change the values or formulas in the Excel. Now you want to find the difference in those two Excel files, but you know it is not easy. In a situation like that, Excel compare sheet option is coming handy. Go to macros tab and press compare sheet button. Then it asks for the file location. So select the file you need to compare. Then it asks which sheet you want to compare, because in Excel file there can be multiple sheets. Then you type the sheet name. Remember, it should be same as the sheet name. Then press OK. Then it asks for the second Excel file to compare. Again, I select the new file. Then the sheet which you need to compare in the second file. Then OK. It asks, do you want to compare 3 files? If you have 3 files to compare, you can press yes and select the third file. But I will compare only 2 files, so I press no. Then it's done. Now you got the new Excel file with all the difference in those 2 sheets. It compares the difference in the values and formulas only, because other changes not important. If I explain the results we got, first it will show the cell name, then the value in the first selected sheet, and the formula in the first selected sheet. Next, it will show the value of the second sheet and the formula of the second sheet. Here you can see G1 cell in the sheet 1 is empty, but in the second selected file, G1 cell is typed as date. That's why it shows date here. Then the E2 cell is first file value is 2023 and the formula is equal TBF1. In the second selected file, value is 2024 and the formula is different. Like that, it will show all the difference in those 2 files. Cells which are not showing here, that means those are similar in both Excel files. Okay. If any cell have only value, that means anything which typed without a formula, that value will show in the both places, in the values and the formula column. Okay. Comparing 2 sheets is now one press of a button and you get all the difference in one go. Now easier to find the differences in 2 Excel files or 3 with the compare sheet option in macro tab.